Do sanctuary cities violate federal immigration laws? Have you ever wondered how sanctuary cities fit into the larger picture of immigration laws? Sanctuary cities are local jurisdictions that adopt policies limiting cooperation with federal immigration authorities. These cities often refuse to honor immigration detainers unless they are backed by a judicial warrant. This practice raises a significant question. Do these policies violate federal immigration laws? From a Republican perspective, the answer is a resounding yes. They argue that sanctuary cities obstruct federal immigration enforcement. By not detaining individuals flagged by Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, these cities are seen as undermining federal laws. Republicans point out that this is particularly concerning when it comes to individuals with criminal records. They believe that allowing these individuals to remain in communities poses public safety risks. Federal law, specifically Title 8 United States Code Section 1373, prohibits state and local governments from restricting officials from sharing immigration status information with federal authorities. Republicans assert that sanctuary policies violate this law by limiting communication between local law enforcement and federal agencies. Sanctuary cities often cite the 10th Amendment's anti-commandeering doctrine as their legal justification. This doctrine prevents the federal government from forcing states to enforce federal laws. However, Republicans argue that this does not exempt localities from complying with valid federal requests. They emphasize that while ICE detainers are voluntary, Congress has the authority to mandate cooperation through legislation or funding conditions. In recent years, Republican-led initiatives have focused on withholding federal grants from sanctuary cities. They claim that taxpayer funds are being misused to protect individuals who are unlawfully present in the United States. Critics of sanctuary policies highlight cases where jurisdictions releases criminal aliens who are later arrested by ICE. This raises concerns about the safety of federal officers and the communities they serve. While courts have generally upheld the legality of sanctuary policies under the 10th Amendment, Republicans maintain that these jurisdictions violate federal law. They advocate for new legislation to clarify federal authority and impose penalties for non-cooperation. This stance frames sanctuary policies as a challenge to national sovereignty and the rule of law. In summary, the debate over sanctuary cities is complex. While these cities argue they are protecting their communities, many Republicans believe they are compromising public safety and undermining federal immigration laws. The discussion continues as both sides present their arguments on this critical issue.